coodart worked hand in hand with the client from the inception of the design through to the final delivery. The Shure Stem solution gave us the advantage of not only a very high quality audio, microphone, speaker solution, but it also integrated perfectly into the design of the meeting space. When we're thinking about designing spaces for conferencing, getting the audio right is absolutely key. If you can't be heard, there's no point in having the call. One of the added benefits of the solution is that it allows us to incrementally add, if we need to, additional microphones, speakers, so that we can tune the space perfectly to the client's requirements for conferencing.
The Stem Ecosystem is designed to take the complexity out of meeting rooms. Simply plug in your device, press the Room Adapt button, and the device will send out a series of tones which will be measured for reverberation so the device can set up so it will be perfectly sounding in that room. If the room is bigger or the device can't quite manage the space, we can simply add more devices into the chain.
This space needs not only to work for your classic boardroom meetings, but also for town halls, conferences, and other events.
So the Stem Ecosystem is still a big part of the Shure family and will continue to be so, and we're constantly rolling out new firmware updates to ensure that the product never goes end of life, is always future compatible, and always meets the needs of the customer.